to start coding. So today we are seeing about the LED blink program with ESP32. Now see how to write a program. So for that we need a pin mode. So pin mode is nothing but it will tell to the controller which pin we are using. Here we have a multiple pins, right? So which pin we are going to use. Here I am using the fourth pin, comma. So I am using the LED. So LED is a output device. LED is output device. Okay, here I am giving the LED. So next, what we need to do? We need to do LED on. For on, what we will do? Here we have a digital write. Write is nothing but I am writing to some value to the LED. Here what I will write? So my pin is fourth, and here for 4 I am connecting the LED, and high. High is nothing but I am sending 1. Let us assume 1. So 1 is nothing but high. So high means here LED is on. So LED is on. So I am giving the delay. 1000. 1000 is nothing but 1 second delay here I am giving. So LED is on here and delay is 1 second. Next I will make the LED off. Same. Digital write 4 comma low. Low means 0 off. Again I am giving the delay. Okay. So here you can see in the line number 10 LED is on and 1 second is on. These two lines is telling 1 second LED is on, and these two lines will tell 1 second LED is off. So, okay, now we will see the connections. So here LED I took from here plus symbol. You can type the LED. Also here you will see, and one resistor also here I am taking. 220 is fine. Rotate. So here how we will connect LED. One end will connect to the resistor, and one more end will connect to the our pin. So which pin we are declaring? 4, right? So I am connecting to the 4. Now one more pin will connect the ground. So here I am connecting the ground. So just run the code. Now you are seeing, right? LED on and off.